Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky.
Hello guys, welcome back to a special video of Inquisitive Galaxy on annular solar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when a part of the earth is engulfed by the moon's shadow, which partially or totally blocks the sunlight. A solar eclipse occurs only during a new moon when the moon is directly between the earth and the sun. Solar eclipses don't occur every new moon because the moon's orbit is inclined to the earth's orbit by around 5 degrees. Eclipses occur only when there is a perfect alignment. The period of annularity during such an eclipse can last anywhere from 5 to 6 minutes to up to 12 minutes. However, even though the sun is mostly covered by the moon, enough bright sunlight escapes during annularity, so observers should never look at the sun directly. An annular solar eclipse will occur on June 21, 2020. An annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon's apparent diameter is smaller than the sun, blocking most of the sunlight and causing the sun to look like an annulus or ring. That's why it's called Ring of Fire eclipse. Central part of the eclipse will be over Central African Republic, Congo, Ethiopia, south of Pakistan and North India. A partial eclipse will be visible over North and East Africa, in Southeast Europe and most of Asia except north of Russia. In Silchar, the eclipse will begin at 11 am and by 11:05 am the moon will enter the sun's disk. The eclipse will be maximum at 12:49 pm and it will end at 2:26 pm. The eclipse will last for 3 hours and 26 minutes. The annular phase of the eclipse won't be visible in Silchar. On December 26, 2019, there was an annular solar eclipse and the people in the southern part of Indian peninsula witnessed this ring of fire as the moon covered most of the sun, leaving behind a small portion that made it look like a fiery ring. Ophthalmologists strictly advise against looking directly into the eclipsed sun at any cost. During an eclipse, the sun's visible light is restricted and so mostly there is an influx of infrared rays. Since there is very little light during that event, our pupils dilate and as a result more infrared rays enter through our pupil and can lead to solar retinopathy or damage in the retina leading to blindness. As per India Today, 15 people have lost their eyesight because of staring at the eclipsed sun with naked eyes. To observe the solar eclipse, it's better to face away from the sun and use a cardboard having a hole punched in it. The sun rays will be allowed to fall on the shadow cast by your body in presence of sunlight. You will get a pinhole projection of the eclipsed sun, but never look at the eclipsed sun at any cost. So that's it for our special video on the upcoming annular solar eclipse. If you like the video, then please drop a thumbs up on it and share it with your friends. We will see you soon and enjoy the eclipse.